My name is Janusz. I'm a chair of the session number 1 of the Conference on Drug Discovery, European Conference of Drug Discovery, and I've just participated in a very exciting day of this conference where a number of speakers have presented different perspectives on drug discovery, different technologies, ways of thinking about developing new drugs in cancer, cardiovascular disease, infection, immunity, and vaccines. And of course, it was a panel of really different perspective and a display of creativity from a number of centers. I think there was a great representation of members from the industry who brought to our midst their technology and their offerings, and I'm really happy to see that this conference, which is a small meeting but very sort of substantial, brought people together. So I'm seeing now in the room people interacting and exchanging ideas, taking each other's addresses and contact information. I think this is what conferences are all about. You know, they don't have to be big, they don't have to be glamorous. They just have to bring people who have authentic interest in different things and let them chat, you know, and exchange their ideas. So basically that's my impression, and I'm really happy to have been here and had that, you know, opportunity to participate. So thank you so much, and you know, enjoy the rest of the conference.